Welcome to our Reach and Teach video. I'm Gavin.
And I'm Peyton, and we're from Spring Mills High School in West Virginia.
We have some pretty cool segments for you guys to learn about today and enjoy.
Our first segment is pitting two teachers against each other in an amazing battle.
Introducing first, weighing in at 200 pounds, from Philadelphia, Pennsylvania, head of the DECA Club, Mr. Mahoney. And in the other corner, from Chamont, New York, weighing in at 95 pounds, head of the theater department, Mr. Reese.
This evening, ladies and gentlemen, these two heads will face off in a boxing match for champion title.
Let's go. Ready.
Match number 1. The winner of match number 1, Mr. Mahoney. Match number 2. Winner of match number 2 is Mr. Reese. Match number 3. The winner of match number 3 and our title champion, Mr. Reese.
That was intense. No wonder Miss Mahoney lost.
And it may no longer be April 1st, but there still are some pranks going around. Speaking of, on to the next segment.
Alright, y'all, this is Josh and Jim, Practical Jokers. This is my boy.
Francis.
So they were just basically pranking one of our teachers. You got that post-it notes on you?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I got this syringe wrap. Let's go.
Real funny. Clean it up! Clean it up! About had it with you guys. My refrigerator? Are you kidding me? Teddy, get out! Get out! Get out! Get out! Now!
Rumor has it, Mr. Grog has now upped his classroom security tenfold. Can you believe that?
It's crazy, but not as crazy as our next segment where we see which coach has the superior taste buds.
Oh, okay. I think this is I think it's a strawberry. All right. I think it's pineapple.
Strawberries.
That's definitely cheese.
What kind of cheese?
It's like stringy American. Oh, that's like cheddar cheese.
Cheese?
Oh, I eat these every morning. This is Cinnamon Toast Crunch. Cinnamon Toast Crunch.
Cinnamon Toast Crunch.
It tastes like ham. All right. Lunch meat pastrami.
It's a meat. Salami?
Oh, it's on my finger. It tastes like yogurt, but do you want me to give a flavor?
Yeah.
Like blueberry. Dude, I know that flavor. I don't know. Yeah, man, that shoot. I don't know.
Is it baby food?
Yes. Do you know what flavor?
Carrot?
That was an amazing palate.
I wouldn't know. My taste buds are shot because I had COVID.
And now on to a grueling trivia match.
Hi, my name is Peyton, and I'm here with...
Nate Hutchinson, and by law, I have to state I am on a CIA terror watch list.
My name's Logan Mahood, and I'm just always comfortable.
In this segment, I will be asking them 9 needless questions about football, NFL-style rules. And whoever answers the most questions correct wins. For the first question, what does the abbreviation TE stand for in football?
Touchdown ending. I don't know. You got anything?
I don't know.
Alright.
No clue.
Good job, guys. Not really. Neither of you were right. It is called tight end. In NFL rules, how many points is a safety?
2 points.
1 point.
Logan was correct with his answer with 2 points. He is in the lead by 1. With the next one, can you explain a Hail Mary to me?
It's that thing Catholics do in church.
I'm pretty sure it's where the receiver runs all the way down the field and is past the ball for a last chance touchdown.
Logan was partially right for the question, but we will award Logan the point. The next question will be, how many players are allowed on the field?
40 players.
24.
That was sort of a trick question. It is 11 per team, so 22 players on the field at one time. For the next question, how long is each quarter in periods of time?
15 minutes.
15 minutes.
Both of you were correct. I will award both of you for the point, so Logan is up 3-1. The next question, can you name any penalty in the game?
Passing interference.
A bad one.
Logan was correct. Pass interference is a penalty called in the game. That leads me to my next question. How many yards back is it for a holding call?
40.
I'm gonna say about 10 yards.
For a penalty on holding, it is 5 yards back for the team it's called on. The next question: who does the quarterback receive the ball at the beginning of each play?
The throwback.
7.
Neither of you were correct. The quarterback receives the ball from the center at the beginning of each play. For this next question, it will be an all or nothing question. The question is, what are 5 football positions?
All right, we got catching the ball, throwing the ball, touchdown. We got field goal. Former Vice President Al Gore.
I believe 5 positions may be wide receiver, quarterback, lineman, kicker, and center.
Logan was partially correct. He won either way. Lineman is a position, but there are segments to it. So the winner is declared Logan 4-1.
Thank you for this opportunity. Good going.
How could you not know about football?
I have no idea. It's beyond me.
And that wraps up our video. Don't forget to like, comment, and share. And horns down, baby.
Spring those out.